Hello! What we're going to do in this video is to use distribution with double negation and combining like terms to simplify. Here's our question. Simplify the given expression, negative 5y minus 6 times, into the parentheses, negative 2z plus y plus 4z. So I'm going to copy this question right over here. Negative 5y minus 6 into the parentheses, negative 2z plus 6y and plus 4z. The first step is to use distributive property to remove the parentheses. Now we're going to rewrite this expression as negative 5y and then do the distributive property, and which would be equal to negative 6 times negative 2z, that's going to be equal to plus 12z, and then negative 6 times positive 6y, that's going to be negative 36y, and then plus 4z. So the next step after this would be to write subtraction as addition of negative 5y plus 12z. So far everything is just fine, but we will be writing the subtraction as addition of negative, meaning plus negative 36y and then plus 4z. As you see, everything is in the form of addition. And the next step is going to be using distributive property to rearrange terms. Now we're going to write the y's together and z's together. Negative 5y, and I'm noticing that there is negative 36y plus negative 36y. Since they are the like terms, I'm writing them together. And there's no variable of y left, so I can continue by the variable of z plus 12z and then plus 4z. And we're going to finalize our answer by adding those like terms. 5y plus negative 36y would be equal to negative 41y. And the next variable, which is z, has the operation with 12z plus 4z, which would be equal to 16z. So when we finalize our answer, we understand that the answer is negative 41y plus 16z. Thanks for watching.